Alright, well, I've got some news. Now, members of the main channel have known this for a little while now, but I am building a new custom detailing studio, and guys, trust me when I say this, it's going to be incredible. Now, one of the reasons for the build is because when I built my home garage and designed that space to detail, I had a lot of limitations with what I could do, the size and all that. Not to mention, working in a space where you live is really not ideal, so it's going to be awesome to have just an absolutely custom-built, purpose-built studio to really do what I do. Like I said, there was a lot of limitations with my garage right now, and not to mention there's some things that you kind of learn along the way, some things you do differently. Now, construction has already started on the studio. They have leveled everything off and getting ready to pour the grade beams pretty soon. Now, I am going to be doing an entire video series on this channel, basically showing you guys the entire build right from start to finish. There'll be lots of videos and lots of content. So really, I hope you guys are excited. This is going to be a huge undertaking for me, but I'm super pumped to get this going and really just to be able to share it with you guys. Now, I am going to be able to film a lot of different kind of content than what you're used to seeing, and honestly, I'm excited to do that. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on anything. But yeah, that is going to wrap things up. I just wanted to get this announcement out and get you guys excited for this build. There's going to be more coming very soon, so stay tuned. Yeah, what more can I say? I don't know. This is just super exciting. Yeah, it's so nice out here. You guys are gonna love this. Except for all these weeds. I'm gonna go grab some Roundup and maybe I'll film spraying and killing all these weeds for you guys. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and like I said, I'll see you guys soon. Can't wait.